myself Syed Muzaffar Ali. I'm working as a project manager at EIC, the Export International Company, and I'm going to explain you about our current project, that is the Perfect Card. As the name suggests, perfect. This concept which we have brought is perfect for the people who are living in metro cities like Hyderabad. This concept we are first time launching in Hyderabad, as we have selected Hyderabad city for this project. Perfect Card consists of multiple services. You people might have been heard about the services like discount. Basically, when we usually hear about the cards, first thing in our mind used to came, that is discount, or say a cash card, or say scratch card, smart card. Yes, this one is also a smart card, but having multiple services. Discount, I can say discount is very small part of our this project. Yes, we do have discount concept, but it is very small part. I would like to start with doorstep services. Doorstep services we are providing just like the home tutorial. If any one of us want a home tutorial, then we are providing that a particular person with related subject at your doorstep. Or say if you want a vegetable at your doorstep, even we are providing that also. Usually the people in metro city don't have time to spend with their family, and we have put it a new thing, that is Perfect Card. If you purchased a Perfect Card, you are a member of Perfect Card, then just call to Perfect Card number, that is 33140014, and you can request for whatever doorstep service you want, say vegetable, electrician, plumber, home tutorial, whatever you want. We are having a big list with us. Then after, even in doorstep, we are covering such concepts which have never been considered before. If say you are moving toward your office, and suddenly your bike fails due to some reason, what you will do? You have only one option. You just have to leave your bike, take auto rickshaw, taxi or bus. We have came with new option. The option is Perfect Card. Just call on the number 33140014 and ask for a service that your bike is not working. We will send the mechanic at whatever step you want. Then after, one more thing I would like to mention with doorstep service, that is banking services which we are providing. Each of us know how hectic is it to open a bank account. Yes, it is very hectic because you have to move to the bank, you have to collect all the data with you, you have to carry the data, you have to you have to submit multiple documents. But here what we are doing is, if you are having a Perfect Card, just ask for banking service, then we are providing that banking service. How? We will send the related, say you want a bank, you want to open particular bank account, say ABC Bank, then you request to Perfect Card, we will send an executive of that related bank at your doorstep. He will do all the formalities for you on behalf of you, and it will become very easy for you to have account in that particular bank. It was a layman. Okay, next, what if at your home some power have been cut off? You are suffering from power cut off. What you will do? If you are having some contacts with electrician, then only you can call them, then it is okay for you. You will manage. What if you don't have any electrician number, or your related person is not at the place, is not available? Again, the same thing, you just have to call Perfect Card. We are providing the same service at your doorstep. We will give you electrician at your area, where you want, when you want, at what time you want. Again, these are some of the doorstep services which I have described in front of you, which we are providing through a Perfect Card.